In some rural parts of the Philippines, there are communities rich in culture but isolated from the modern world. Here, when the sun goes down, life changes. Without access to electricity, families must rely on the fragile, flickering glow of candles just to see inside their own homes. The children of these indigenous communities, their classrooms often have few books or modern learning materials. When they go home, they must complete their homework by day, because when the daylight fades and darkness comes, they must use precious candlelight. But we believe every child deserves the right to a bright future. Our mission is to partner with communities to install solar panels in schools like these. With your help, we can bring reliable electricity, light, and opportunities to these students.